पंचामृत प्रेजेंस फोर्टिफाइड राइस, संपूर्ण पोषण और स्वस्थ जीवन की पहचान।
Panchamrita Rice presents Food Mania.
Welcome back to Prudent Media on yet another episode of Food Mania. So, Chef, I see some coconut milk, some fresh tiger prawns. What are we making today?
Well, something Southeast Asian.
Okay.
So, today, before I start, let me first tell, I would like to thank Wonder Chef for giving us all the equipments and appliances. And then, of course, we're making this nice. Today, we're just making Panchamrita rice. That's the long range. 1, 2, 1. It's a very nice. We're making steamed rice. And then, we're making some nonya curry. Nonya curry, Nonya curry is basically, from Penang. It's a specialty of Malaysia.
Chef, I have some friends in Malaysia.
Okay.
And, they have told me that this dish that you're making today, it's also called Curry Capitan.
Okay. Lot few people in India know this name, Curry Capitan. इसके पीछे एक बड़ा लंबा कहानी है, ये colonial time पे when Malaysia में you had all these colonial rulers, so they had the cook making inside, this Penang curry, it's also called Penang curry or Nonya curry. So the captain asked, "Chef, what have you made?" So the cook replies, "Curry Capitan." So the guy, the colonel or the guy, major who was eating, उसने सोचा इस देश का नाम ही है Curry Capitan. So in Malaysia, a lot of restaurants have got this name, but it's more famous in the world, by the name of Nonya curry. Okay, now coming on to the ingredients, so I'll be using, this large prawns, these are all deveined, I've cleaned it up. And then, of course, one more thing, I just forgot, these are, this is the groundnut oil, but these are all cold pressed. These are all cold pressed. And this is the coconut oil. I'll be using both this oil. So during the process, you'll see it. And very nice, I've been trying this oil. These all are cold pressed. It's called Jeev. All very organic. Now coming on to the ingredients, I've got ginger, garlic and onion. I've got some tamarind juice. This is Blachang Nonya. Now, if you don't get Blachang Nonya curry paste, you can use yellow curry paste. And before I forget, in this Nonya curry, one very important thing is candole nuts. Candole nuts, it's also called, Indian almonds, but I didn't get it here. I tried my best. It's basically a thickening agent and some flavoring also. Then I've used some jaggery. Actually, in the original recipe, palm sugar is used, but you can use jaggery also. I've got coconut milk. I'm using some fish sauce. Why I'm using? Actually, the original recipe is anchovy paste, but in India, a lot of people don't like anchovy, so you can use either a fish sauce or shrimp paste. Then I've got some seafood stock, lemon juice, seasoning powder. Then I have got some spring onion. Then here I have some curry leaves and Thai brinjal. Then I have some kaffir lime, lemongrass. I've got some fresh turmeric and galangal. So this is the same fresh turmeric, galangal, lemongrass and bird eye chili, very spicy. Haldi powder, and then I've got some lemon juice, and this is the Kashmiri chili, a dried red chili and some lemon. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to marinate this prawns. I'm just going to put some haldi, turmeric. Be very careful while seasoning, because let me tell you, the Blachang Nonya has got salt content, fish sauce has got salt content. So limited, we'll see afterwards. And I'll be adding some groundnut oil. So here it's marinated. So I'll rest it for about 15-20 minutes. And जब तक ये rest हो रहा ना, I'll make this Nonia curry paste. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this groundnut oil, the cold pressed. You have to use a cold press. नहीं है तो आप use कर सकते हो कुछ भी. I'm adding some Blachang Nonia paste. In case you don't have this, you can use a yellow curry paste also. Adding some turmeric. The turmeric, इतना add करना कि थोड़ा color आ जाए इसमें. Then I'm adding the chilies. Then I'm adding bird eye chili. They're also called Thai chilies. The fresh turmeric, haldi, galangal, Thai ginger, and then I have the lemongrass. Into this, I'll be adding little jaggery. You can also use palm sugar. Then I'm going to put some lemon juice. Lemon juice थोड़ा कम रहेगा, ratio of 2:1 of lemon juice and tamarind juice. Tamarind extract. Tamarind को ना गर्म पानी डाल के आप रख दो थोड़ी देर के लिए तो इस तरह से आ जाएगा. And then I've got onion, ginger and garlic. तो ये सारा डाल रहा हूं मैं. I'm going to add up some, थोड़ा सा पानी डालूंगा इसमें. And इसका एक मैंने पेस्ट बनाना है. So I'm going to make a paste out of it. एक बार इसको कंसिस्टेंसी चेक कर लेते हैं कि whether I need some more water or not. So this is how it looks. So I'm going to grind it once more and I'm going to add some more oil. So I'm adding some more of this groundnut oil. And some more of the water. Salt वगैरह कुछ नहीं डालना अभी. What a nice flavor. You see, this is the consistency I was looking for. अब हमने अंदाजे से I put tamarind juice. When I'm making it, then we'll balance the taste as far as the salt goes, या फिर the sour taste, spice level, जो भी है, we'll adjust it later on. I made the steamed rice, the panchamrita. So I put it on the steamer. So till then, what I'm going to do, I'm going to make the curry. So like I said, I'll be using a combination of these two oils. So whenever you're using coconut oil, so just first try and put little groundnut oil. And then the coconut oil. Even if the oil is excess, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, हम बाद में इसका तेल निकाल सकते हैं. So you see the yellow curry, it looks so wonderful. So now what I'm going to do, सबसे पहले मैं क्या करूँगा, I got the Thai brinjal and the curry leaves. पहले मैं सबसे पहले इन दोनों को मैं I'll put it inside. And then I'm going to add the paste I have made, the Nonia paste. A lovely flavor. Oh. So I'll just let it cook for about 3-4 minutes जब तक इसका तेल ऊपर नहीं आता है. So देख लेते हैं इसको भी. तो धीरे धीरे you see इसका ऑयल जो है ऊपर आ रहा है. I'm going to cook it little more. Now इसमें जो है मैंने काफिर लाइम डाल रहा हूं. अब मैंने टेस्ट किया है इसको. सो इसमें अब मैं थोड़ा सा टैमरिंड जूस डाल रहा हूं. Adding little seasoning. This is again I've used little curry powder, pink salt. And जैसे मैंने बताया, fish sauce. Don't use the anchovy paste. If you like anchovies, you can use it. So I'll just leave it for some time. So let's say about 3-4 minutes. And फिर देखते हैं. तो ये देखो एकदम the oil has started floating. So now हम लोग बना रहे हैं prawns nonia curry. So I'm going to add the prawns. Prawns अगर आप चाहते हैं, you can use fresh, you can use a frozen prawn, IQF, आजकल instant quick frozen, a lot of good qualities are coming. Whatever you feel like, So I'll just give some, gentle stir थोड़ी देर के लिए, about 2-3 minutes. Then I'm going to add some fish stock and coconut milk. अब देखते हैं इसमें क्या हो रहा है. Oh wow, wow. Today Deva is going to enjoy. I'll have to tell her, भैया थोड़ा कम खाना. See the lovely color, क्या बढ़िया आ रहा है. ठीक है ना. And then I'm putting some seafood stock in it. फाइनल जो सीजनिंग है ना, दैट आई विल डू लेटर ऑन. सो नाउ व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू, मेरे को लगता है कि इसमें ना थोड़ा सा ना स्वीटनेस शुड बी देयर, नोनिया करी में गॉट लिटिल स्वीटनेस. आई एम पुटिंग सम जैगरी. लाइक आई सेड, पाम शुगर भी यूज कर सकते हैं. लॉट ऑफ पीपल पहली बात तो पाम शुगर मिलता नहीं है, एंड देन लॉट ऑफ पीपल डोंट लाइक इट आल्सो. एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स आई एम गोइंग टू यूज द कोकोनट मिल्क. दिस इज फ्रेशली स्क्वीज्ड. This is one big coconut. So I'll just simmer it. Finishing मैं करूंगा seasoning के साथ. So you see मेरा राइस बिल्कुल फर्स्ट क्लास स्टीम हो रहा है. एंड इसका मैं देख लेता हूं क्या है अभी. Nice color has come out. So let me just taste it. ये फाइनल बैलेंसिंग मैं इसमें क्या कर सकता हूं. लवली. आई कैन ऐड सम लाचांग नोनिया, थोड़ा और ऐड कर सकता हूं मैं. I'll just leave it for another final 3-4 minutes. So you see, it's got nice oil floating on it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just थोड़ा इसमें spring onion डालते हैं. And the rice is also ready, steamed rice.
मॅडम सुगंध तर इतलो बरो येता जाणा.
थँक्यू.
टिफिना वांगडा त्यो न्यूट्रिशनाच्यो गुडयो दिवपाक विसरू नाका हा.
आता तो न्यूट्रिशनाच्यो गुळयो विसर.
कित्याक?
का या तांदळातूच सगळे न्यूट्रिशन मेळटले. पंचामृता फोर्टिफाईड राईस हातूंत आयर्न, झिंक, फॉलिक ऍसिड, व्हिटॅमिन ए, बी सारकेले 9 मिनरल्स आसात. तर हे झाले नाही निरोगी आणि सुवादीक. तर पुराय पौष्टिक आहारा खातीर
पंचामृता फोर्टिफाईड राईस
असल्यास पुरो.
पुराय पोषणा खातीर पंचामृता फोर्टिफाईड राईस. घराघरांनी पंचामृता.
So you can see, मैंने बोला था ना थोड़ा ऑयल फ्लोट करेगा. So that's the actual नोनिया करी. कैपिटन देवा. कैपिटन क्या था? करी कैपिटन. And this is that lovely Panchamrita 1121 basmati rice. So you're a foodie, you're going to try like always. Okay, before I taste this thing and you taste this thing, I'm going to ask a question. You will get lucky vouchers, you know. Today we have many vouchers of worth 500. So the यहाँ पर जो check value है ना बड़ा कम है, average per cover. So we have 4 complimentary vouchers. I'm unable to show you because I forgot it today. So I'm going to ask a question. There are 2 ingredients जो मैंने इसमें use नहीं किया. 3 थे, but I'm just giving you a hint कि 3 मैंने बोले थे वो इंग्रेडिएंट्स मैं यूज नहीं कर रहा हूँ. बट यू नेम 2 ऑफ देम व्हाट आई हैव नॉट यूज, जो एक्चुअल ऑथेंटिक नोनिया करी में यूज होता है. एंड यू गेट टू विन, यू नो. टुडे वी हैव गॉट 4 कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री वाउचर्स ऑफ वर्थ 500 ईच. एंड नीचे जो है मेरा ईमेल लिखा हुआ है, तो यू कैन पुट इट ऑन द ईमेल. एंड सो नाउ देवा, यू गोइंग टू ट्राई इट.
Of course. Chef, you also try it.
Yeah, I'll try definitely.
The color, it's like glowing.
You know, the oil should float on it. But one thing I'd like to tell you, you know, if you go to Singapore, नोनिया करी is different. If you go to the mainland China, actually ये dish आया चाइना से है. And the Malaysians adapted. जो immigrants गए थे, they adapted. अब इसमें जो हल्दी वगैरह जो पड़ रहा है, this is, you know, they were, you know, this is all Indian. तो Indian migrants ने अपना हल्दी डाल दिया. And आजकल धनिया भी डाल रहे हैं, मैंने सुना है. So this is curry capitan. So Deva, tell me how is it? And bon appetit. So don't forget to answer what I've asked you. My email is given below. And also when you make it, you can mail me कैसा बना है.
This is amazing.
Tell me.
Amazing.
है ना? Rich flavors. So if I would have used the 3 जो बनता है ना, but I said, you know, like a lot of people don't like that anchovy flavors and all.
No,
So-
but this is like full of flavors.
हाँ तो इसमें there is flavors, you know.
Yeah, I saw the amount of ingredients you used today.
Any suggestion on this dish?
No, this is perfect.
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 So till the next episode, wishing you all the best. Bye bye.